Hello guys, my name is Rachel and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you some few hacks here on Canva that you could use when designing on Canva, and this will actually blow your mind. Let's pick a design we want to work on. Let's pick this design here. We've picked a design we want to work on and we want to generate a QR code without going for external apps somewhere to generate this QR code. You can actually generate a QR code directly from Canva. What you do is that you come here to where there are apps, you click on this. Canva has a lot of apps integrated on Canva here, so you click on the QR code. So we paste the link of where we want to direct our followers, the link we want them to follow. You can actually customize how your QR code looks. You can actually change the background color to maybe green, and you can change the foreground color to something red. You can choose any color you want. You can make it small, the margins. You can make it fill up the whole space depending on how you want your QR code to appear. Whichever one you design, once you're done, you click on generate QR code. It's just automatically going to place it here on your design. You can now drag and drop it wherever you want it to be on the screen. The second hack I'll be showing you guys, this one, it's wow, like it's let's create a new page for this. The second hack, guys, is to turn text to image. You want a particular image and you want to describe to Canva, say this is the image I'm looking for. What you should do is you come over to where there are apps, you click on this image that says text to image, you click on it, then it opens this for you. Okay, so you see they have already need inspiration. If you want inspiration, you can click on the plus sign to choose an inspiration of what is already there. But I want a dark lady on a bike, so let me type that in. So this is the picture I want to come into life, a dark lady on a bike. So from here, I've typed the image I want to see. You can choose either for Canva to surprise you with a design, or you could choose photo what you want, or a drawing, or you could choose 3D image or a painting. Let's ask Canva to surprise us. Yeah, let's click on that and say generate image. So you see, we asked Canva to surprise us. That's why we have a variety of images here. So Canva actually generated what we want. If you don't like what you're seeing, you can either start again. But if you like what you see, you can click on the one you like. I actually like this one. If I click on it, it's going to come here. Oh, this is so beautiful. And I can start designing with it. Yeah, so this image was generated for me here on Canva. The next hack, you can actually draw what you want. If you're good at drawing or you want to do a hand sketch drawing on your design, either your video or something, whatever you're working on, you can actually hand sketch what you want. Let's go over to apps again and do that. You come over to apps, you click on drawing. So here it brings up this space for you, say use. So this is what it does. It asks you to select a brush you want to use, the size of the brush. It has already selected. You've not chosen a brush, that's why. So you add the transparency. They want the brush to be transparent and all that. I want it to look the way it is. I don't want this brush. I actually want this brush. So you can pick a color of the tip of the brush. I want green. Then you can start drawing. Let's draw. I don't know how to draw. I'm not good at drawing, so it's going to wow you. Yes, I've drawn a head. I put an eye. What am I drawing? And I put a smiley face and a nose. Oh, I'm poor at drawing. So these are the few hacks I brought to you today. Try it out. Let me know what you think, and see you in the next video.